So this is the state of my hair right now. They are in a mini twist. You can see my gray in there, which I am not about to touch. But I am, I believe, 2 or 3 months post taking my locks out. I had locks, and so now all I do is just do mini twists with them. But you can see how much growth it's been in 2 months. Like from the areas that were around, I was shaved all the way around. And so you can see how much growth I get pretty quickly within a period of 2 to 3 months. So I am getting ready to detangle, deep condition, and wash and deep condition my hair really quickly. And then I am going to go ahead and taper my sides a little bit down, not too much. I just want to do it pretty, just shape it. I just want it shaped a little bit more. But this is driving me insane. I can't stand this. I can't stand this. So, and I'm okay with it, but I just think it should just be shaped. I'm over shaped as opposed to length. So that's how I am. Rio, I saw that. So I'm gonna shake my sides out. I'm sitting here editing this video at this moment, and I figure I'd come on here and make sure you guys see what the end result looks like. It has grown out a little bit since I've cut it. It's been about a week or so since the previous clips that you saw, and I wanted to show you what my hair kind of looks like. So what I do is I do mini twist. and I'll keep separating the twists until they're smaller and smaller and making even smaller mini twists. And it kind of makes my hair looks like the visual of DNA, like a DNA helix, like ladder or something like that. I like this. So, and I do this even with the shorter areas. So it ends up being like a 2-strand twist. They're very thick and they're curly because my hair is naturally curly and natural hair. And then and then I'll continue to separate them and make them even smaller. And some of them, like let's see, it's something, it may be one in here that I could separate. But I always have my hands in my hair. See, like this one is thick enough for me to like separate it into 2 more. See how thick they are? And so I'll maybe finger coil them, or I'll take it and I'll just twist. And yeah, where'd the other one go? And see, when I separate them, they feel so much like a lock that's, you know, coiled, that I prefer to have my hair like this, because I still liked my lock journey, even though it was a very short one, mainly because I just prefer my hair to be short, and I just didn't see me really growing it out too crazy. Plus, I love the way my own natural hair coils. And so this is going to be my style. It's still the shape that I've always loved, my BeautyCutright, like tapered, you know, frothy shape. I still love that shape, and so I'm still keeping it. But yeah, so this is where my hair is at the moment.